Whole red beets arrive at the receiving dock for controlled intake.
Accurate weight records support yield tracking and inventory control.
Incoming documentation confirms origin and safety specifications before release.
Brix measurement indicates natural sugar concentration in the raw beets. pH verifies expected acidity for safe downstream processing.
Any questionable batch is isolated until quality staff decide.
Approved raw material moves forward in FIFO order.
Packaging materials are removed before produce enters wet processing.
Pre-checks reduce foreign material risk before washing. Tipper raises bins safely to feed the line. Gravity transfers raw beets into the processing hopper. A pre-screen removes heavy debris before washing. Flume transport gently carries beets toward the wash section.
Air bubbles dislodge soil from the beet surface.
Firm brushes scrub soil from the beet skins.
Fresh water removes remaining soil particles.
Controlled exposure ensures hygienic surfaces before processing. Final rinsing removes sanitizer residues. Dewatering reduces carryover before inspection.
Vision systems detect irregular shapes or contamination.
Automatic air jets remove defective pieces. Clean produce advances to preparation stages.
Removing root tails prepares beets for uniform size reduction.
Remaining stem ends are cut to standardize the beet shape before size reduction. Clean cuts remove tough stem tissue that could affect grinding. Size reduction begins to prepare the roots for efficient pulping. Uniform cubes allow consistent grinding and juice extraction. Controlled transfer keeps the product moving steadily toward grinding. The grinder breaks down cubes into mash for extraction. Grinding ruptures plant cells to release juice and pulp. The mash moves to a pulper that separates fine puree from fibrous solids. The pulper presses mash through screens to form puree. Fine puree passes through the screen while coarse fiber remains. Remaining fiber becomes the byproduct stream. A sanitary pump transfers puree for further refinement. The finisher removes remaining coarse particles. Screening produces a uniform puree suitable for aseptic processing. Inline sieving ensures consistent particle size. Removing air improves product stability and heat transfer.
Gentle mixing keeps solids evenly suspended.
Flow measurement ensures steady throughput to blending. The blend tank allows adjustment to target specifications. The standardized puree now moves to thermal processing for safety. Mechanical pressing removes excess liquid to reduce drying energy. The dewatered material is transferred for thermal drying.
Heated air evaporates remaining moisture from the fiber. Drying stabilizes the material for milling.
Finished fiber powder accumulates before packing.
Wastewater first passes through screens to remove solids. Dissolved air flotation separates fats and solids from water. Microorganisms break down organic matter before discharge. Sludge is compacted for safe disposal. The puree enters the pasteurizer for controlled heat treatment. Rapid heating reduces microbial risk. Product only proceeds when safe temperature is confirmed. Sterile connectors maintain aseptic conditions. Clean-in-place systems sanitize tanks and pipes between runs. Conductivity checks confirm cleaning chemicals are fully removed. Packaging components are sterilized before filling. Aseptic filling prevents contamination after pasteurization. The filler completes the measured volume under sterile conditions. The liner neck is aligned for airtight sealing. A secure seal preserves sterility after filling. Carton flaps are folded before final sealing.
Seal carton top.
Each carton receives a lot code for downstream traceability. Automatic check weighers confirm the correct fill quantity. Vision systems verify seal integrity and readable coding. X-ray inspection detects dense foreign objects inside packages. Accumulation buffers the flow before palletizing. Layer patterns stabilize the pallet during transport. Pallet rotation ensures precise stacking alignment. Additional layers build the shipment unit. Slip sheets stabilize cartons during stacking. The pallet reaches its final configured height.
Film stretching and turntable motor. Voiceover spin. Stretch wrapping secures cartons for safe transport.
Pallet labels maintain traceability through distribution.
Finished goods move to the warehouse staging area. Warehousing organizes product for dispatch. Digital records track each pallet's location.
Orders trigger pallet retrieval for shipping.
Pallets are staged before truck loading.
The trailer is positioned for safe loading. Pallets are loaded carefully to maintain stability.
Cargo restraints prevent movement during transport.
The shipment is finalized and ready for departure. Finished aseptic beet puree begins its journey to industrial customers.